Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Look at the upgrade that both the front and back of our house got. These new motion sensor lights are amazing. Not only do they look so high class, but they give off wonderful light. I love a bright light, especially when there's maybe only one or two of them on any area of your home. These outdoor lights provide exactly what we need. We love the fact that it's motion sensor because when we come home, we don't have to worry about turning on the light. It's done for us. That beautiful glass finish, the glass finish is not just flat, clear glass. It almost has an effect on it that makes the light shining even more beautiful. I love the fact that you can change the light from the bottom. The light bulb screws right in, so you don't have to worry about taking the light apart. This makes it so much easier if they're up high. Even though we're tall, it makes it a breeze to change. To install these lights, it was so simple. My husband did it like that. He was happy about it, that they were so easy to install. We love that. It makes our life a little bit less difficult, and the look of them is unlike any other. But that's just my point of view.